Hello and welcome to Adamazi TV. Today being the 3rd day of July 2023. Ifeanyi Ubah, the senator representing Anambra South Senatorial District, has taken a strong stand against the Monday sit-at-home order in the southeast, vowing to stop it in his constituency with immediate effect. According to Ubah, the negative effects the exercise has on the commercial, economic and well-being of the southeast residents have become so far devastating that the exercise has to be tackled with every strength it deserves. Ubah has urged the people of his constituency to start opening their businesses on Mondays, adding that adequate security measures and equipment have been put in place to ensure the security of lives and properties becomes a top priority in the state. All this he said at the Ifeanyi Ubah International Stadium in Nnewi, Anambra State, on Sunday the 2nd day of July 2023, while addressing the state vigilante and community security watch operatives from the 4 quarters of Nnewi, comprising Otolo, Urago, Umudim, and Nnewinchi. If you're just watching, subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share. This news is reaching you from Adamazi TV.
You say something, we do something. If you see something, you say something, we do something. Thank you very much. Because going 2 years now, for good 2 years, we have observed every Monday as sit at home. But we have cooperated in the spirit of observing every Monday for sit at home. We have also found out that we are losing our economic base, and most importantly, we are losing jobs and business opportunities. As a representative of the good people of Anambra South, Nnewi not being the political capital of Anambra South, we deem it fit to say we will not continue to have sit at home on Mondays. Yes. From this Monday, every business venture in Nnewi will be open for business. Yes. We have our men, we have our system. We know saboteurs will try to come to sabotage what we are doing, but we are resolute to fight any aggression that will come into this town. Yes. I've had statements. To be precise, I've heard from what's that his name? Simon or one Simon that hails from Ebonyi. This is a warning to Simon. For 17 good times, you have mentioned the Ifeanyi Ubah, and I did not reply you. You have been seeking for my attention 17 good times, and I'm replying you today. I've never ever mentioned Ifeanyi Ubah or Nnewi again. You have your parents in Ebonyi there. Their state is ABC state. And you have never ever one day mentioned their state in Ebonyi. Ebonyi don't observe it at home. You are in Finland contesting for councillorship or whatever. You go to your job on Mondays. But you want to ridicule us, you want to Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. I will say more than this. You have mentioned me 17 times, and I'm only replying you once. Try me, you will see. Go and then observe it at home in the room. And then also your father, your family, go and observe it at home in their village. And this other house in Ghana.
We the new assembly will resolve to give it a very serious push. I've started that push by having a meeting with the family of Nnamdi Kanu some few days ago. I'm in contact with the lawyers. We have been talking in the last 1 week. So what our resolve is that we are going to give it a new dimension of legislation and also push. But for us, for 2 years now, we've been observing sit at home, and we don't really appreciate the economic value or downturn the sit at home has brought hardship to our people instead of fortune. You know, so for me and my people, we will not continue with the sit at home. We must go about our businesses on every Monday.